If you're still paying high OTA fees to third-party booking apps, this is for you. Now, I'm building Hotelia specifically for independent and boutique hotels because you deserve to keep 100% of your profits. Now, as you can see here, I'm just showing you the booking widget that sits right on your website because let's be honest, as an independent owner, you deserve to keep all of your guest data and again, get your bookings directly. With Hotelia, you can do that, 0 commissions, and it only takes a few clicks for your visitors to book a room when they visit your website. Now, you probably are still going to be using those third-party apps to get marketing or exposure, and that's okay. But you do need to make sure that your number one booking channel is your website. With Hotelia's widget, you simply copy a script code that I give you, you embed it onto your website, and just like in this example, somebody can book with you, complete a form, make a payment, and voila, it goes straight to your Stripe account. Give it a try.